I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, my eyebrows, they have been deprived. I'm in our stairwell today because it's really good lighting right here. And I got a little mirror right here. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my eyebrows because I've been doing my own eyebrows since 2016. I used to get my eyebrows done at TJ Nails on University in St. Paul. That used to be my spot, but I used to just hate laying on that little eyebrow bed where you lay down and they hover over you, and her breath just used to be on my face. I couldn't stand it anymore, so I was determined. I'm like, let me figure out how to do my own eyebrows. And I've been doing my eyebrows ever since then on my own. I use this straight blade. I just put a brand new blade in there. My handy dandy tweezers. Torque it. I only use this top right corner right here. Anastasia Brow Wiz. A little bit of lotion. Y'all see this that little line underneath my eyebrows? That'll slowly go away. That will slowly go away as my day goes on.